In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add renter's insurance to your Progressive policy. We'll walk through the online option, how to do it by phone, and how to work with an independent agent. I'll also show you how to notify your landlord as an interested party, highlight a key discount, and explain a core coverage you'll want to understand before you buy. Start by navigating to Progressive's Add Renters Insurance area. This is your central spot for getting the coverage onto your account. From there, open the guide titled How to Add Renters Insurance to Your Progressive Policy so you can see the available paths. If you prefer to do everything yourself, choose the online route and visit Progressive's Renters Insurance Quote page. Have your address, the date you want coverage to start, and a sense of how much your belongings are worth. If you already have auto with Progressive, sign in so you can bundle during the quote and keep your policies in one place. Work through the quote, adjust your limits and deductible, and review the final premium before you buy. Take a moment to double check your start date so your lease requirements are met on time. If you'd rather talk it through, select the By Phone option. Call Progressive and let the licensed representative know you want to add renter's insurance. Keep your existing policy number handy along with your rental address and any questions about coverage limits or deductibles. They can explain what each option means, help you fine-tune the quote, and complete the purchase for you. For a more personalized touch, choose through an independent agent. An agent near you can assess your situation, explain how renter's coverage complements your current policies, and make sure your limits reflect what you actually own. This is helpful if you want tailored guidance or have unique items to protect. Once your renter's insurance is active, you can list your landlord or property management company as an interested party on your policy. This simply allows them to be notified of changes like cancellations or renewals. It doesn't give them any control over your coverage. Ask your landlord exactly how they want their name and mailing address to appear so notices are delivered correctly. Don't forget potential savings. Progressive offers a multi-policy discount when you bundle renters and auto, with average savings around 3%, though it can vary. It's a simple way to lower costs and streamline billing. Finally, review your coverage options. A key piece is personal property coverage, which protects your belongings. Think furniture, electronics, and clothing. If they're damaged or stolen, pick a limit that matches what you own and choose a deductible you can comfortably afford. That's it. Choose the path that fits you, finalize your coverage, and you're protected.